If you want to make neat and accurate cuts, a circular saw is always a good option. This is the saw head attachment from the MultiEvo range. The MultiEvo range from Black & Decker allows one power platform to be used as a full range of power tools. With this compact system, you simply attach accessories for tools like a circular saw, jigsaw, router, drill, driver, sander, and more, allowing you to easily complete DIYs just like this one without having big bulky tools that take up space. A perfect gift for anyone. For more on each of these attachments, check out the clips. This is the saw head attachment from the MultiEvo range, turning a drill into a circular saw. This attachment does a very neat and surprisingly accurate cut in timber up to 21 mils thick. It uses a very thin 86mm blade that rotates at 3,400 RPM. And with the tool weighing only 1.5 kgs, it's very easy to use. It also has some great safety features to prevent accidental activation. There is a lock-off switch on the side that must be pulled up before the saw will activate, as well as the retractable guard that covers the blade. Dust extraction works quite well with the vacuum port, and markings on the shoe keep you on track. To change the blade, simply hold the spindle lock in and use a supplied hex wrench to loosen or tighten the bolt. I really enjoy using this saw, especially for quick cuts and DIYs. Now this is just one of the attachments available in the MultiEvo range. For more, visit the builder's website or check out the YouTube channel.